Allow me to take you over the points that you're gonna need as a consumer to purchase any gift bag from Eddie Home and Life on Style. All right, so there's always gonna be light, which is a candle. Never feel at home more than you do when you have a candle burning. It doesn't matter where you are, right? So then you have something that's touch. So something that is soft and cuddly, that's gonna keep you warm. On a human level, it makes you feel more comfortable, okay? So something touch. You have something that will give you clean. So when it comes to the him or the her bag, there's a clean element in there where you can use for your body, a body buffer, a body scrub. It's gonna keep you clean, it's gonna smell really nice. Another point that I'm gonna keep with you in these bags is something that's stylish for the home. So a vase, a tray, some beads, something that's decorative, right? Decor, home decor. Think home decor. The last and final thing that I probably don't talk enough about are these super useful, biodegradable burlap market bags. They are leather handles, so everything is natural for the most part on these bags, and you can use them over and over. They're waterproof, they have pockets inside to hold your phone, they hold plenty of groceries. This is as useful as you guys are gonna get. So you get all of these gifts in one bag. That's one gift. Even if the items change. I'm always looking for best and better ways to give you more for your dollar, more for your buck, more bang for what you need to show up looking like with a gift. So trust me with that and know that you're gonna be well taken care of with anybody you give this gift to. I promise. Who doesn't want all the stuff in one gift? Eddie Home and Life on Style at Westside Market.